Okay, I am Todd Pine, and these are my four truths and a lie. Start at the top. I teach at West Jordan High School. This is true because I teach there at West Jordan High School. I've taught there since 2007. Got hired about 3 days before school started. I like mint ice cream. Ugh, mint ice cream is gross. I don't like, mixing mint with anything sweet. My wife can eat all the mint ice cream that she wants. I like ketchup. I do like ketchup. I actually have this shirt that says I put ketchup on my ketchup. My friends and family always tease me that I use so much ketchup. If it has meat, basically I'll put ketchup on it. Come to find out, it's probably because all the high fructose corn syrup that's in it. Can't really see that, but a panda bear broke my arm. This is partly true. I was wrestling with an oversized panda bear when I was little, about 10 years of age, and then my older brother came and started wrestling with me. He jumped on top of me, bending my left hand backwards so my knuckles touched my arm, and it snapped my wrist. And so everybody kind of teased me and said a panda bear broke my arm, and it always makes for a good story when I introduce myself. So there you go. Now you know me.